All right, so we are working now from today on multiplying whole numbers by fractions. And we're going to do this two ways, just like we did in class. We're going to use pictures and we're going to use number lines. So let's just look at this first bit here where we're using pictures. And we have 5 times 2/3. So I basically need to draw 2/3 5 times. So I can use my notebook and it will look something like that. So I have 2/3, right? That's 2/3, 5 times 2/3. So then how many thirds do I have now? Well, you can just count by twos: 2, 4, 6, 8. I have 10 thirds, okay? This is not 10, some people here would say this is 10 fifteenths because there's 15 total openings here, but this is 1, so these are still thirds. So your first answer is going to be 10 thirds. And then the next question is, can you put that into a mixed number? Some of you can do it in your head. Others of you might just need to divide. So 10 divided by 3 is going to be 3 with 1 left over. And that becomes a fraction on top of this. So the answer is 3 1/3. Okay, let's try one over here. The next one, we have 3/5 times 4. So first draw your 3/5. I'll go draw them like this, and you need 4 of those. Oh, hold on. There's 3/5, not 4/5. And I need 4 of them. So there they are. And now how many fifths do I have? We're still in fifths, right? And I have, let's see, 3, 6, 9. I have 12 fifths here. So 12 fifths. And can I put that into a mixed number? Well, 12 divided by 5 is going to be 2 with a remainder of 2. And again, this becomes 2/5. So the answer is 2 2/5. And I think the next couple, maybe you can try on your own. I'll just help you get the boxes here. So 3/4. Why don't I just we're running out of space. So I'm going to make my fourths like this. And you need 6 of them. So for the space reasons, there they are. And then once again, you have 3/4. So you're coloring in 3 out of 4 for each of these. And then how many do you have? And then what's the mixed number? And then 2/7, you've got, or 7/9, you only need 2 of them. Why don't you make a nice 3 by 3 9th? And then you need to have 7 of them filled in. And how many 9ths do you have? And can you make it into a mixed number there? And then I think that will show you how this works. But let's also try using number lines. Okay, and I made your number lines for you here. So we just need to kind of show what we're doing. So 1/2 times 5. This first one, I put both the improper fractions and the mixed numbers here. So we're doing 1/2 times 5. And these are all 1/2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 5/2, or the mixed number, 2 1/2. And that makes sense because really what is half of 5? 2 1/2. 2/3 times 4. So now we need to go 2/3 each time. So there's 2/3, 2 more thirds, 2 more thirds. And if you do it one more, then you'll have it times 4 and you'll see what the answer is. Same thing down here. We've got 3 times 3/4. So we need to move 3/4 3 times. 1, 2, 3/4. 1, 2. And then you'll see the answer if you keep going of 3 times 3/4. What is that? So using both number lines and pictures to help with multiplying whole numbers by fractions. So thank you and have a nice day or night.